My guy, if you have spent any time on this channel, I am pretty sure you've already heard me talk about baking soda being this miracle hack from the sky that can pretty much solve all of your grooming needs. And the best part is, it's natural. The best part is, it's crazy affordable. But what you don't understand is that yes, you can use it to cook, but you can also use it to clean yourself, to whiten your teeth, to make yourself look better, to make yourself look more attractive. Matter of fact, today I'm gonna show you 8 grooming tricks you can do with baking soda you should be adding to your routine to look better. Let's go. Number 1, it's a natural deodorant. Yo, go to the store right now and go down the deodorant aisle and go through every deodorant. I guarantee you 90% of them will have baking soda or sodium bicarbonate in their ingredient list. You want to know why? It's a great natural deodorizer. So skip all the harmful chemicals and go straight to the source. Use a pure deodorant. All you want to do is grab some baking soda, add a little bit of water to the point that you can mix it and it feels pasty, almost like toothpaste. Then you're going to want to grab it and apply it to your armpits, let it dry, and you're good to go. Number 2 is fresh breath. See, palantosis, or the acid that's produced from the food buildup that stays on your teeth, is one of the biggest culprits behind bad breath. An easy way to combat this is with the natural mouthwash. See, what you want to do is grab more water than baking soda. So you want to add just enough baking soda where it will dissolve in the water. Then you're just going to rinse it like you would regular mouthwash, since studies have shown that it is a great antibacterial agent that will destroy all that bacteria that's producing that acid that's making you smell bad. Rinse your mouth for around 30 seconds to a minute for that fresh breath. Number 3, use it as ball powder. See, most of us, especially right now during summer, are gonna have swamp balls. Let's be real. But what you don't want to do is use talcs that produce cancer or any aluminum-based powders. Baking soda is your alternative. See, it's natural, it's safe, it's great at absorbing moisture, and it's great at keeping that area odorless. See, your whole goal down there is to minimize sweat. Sweat causes bacteria, which causes the bad odors. Kill the sweat, kill the bad odors. Or you could just keep it completely trimmed down there. Matter of fact, you want to keep it as smooth as possible down there, especially when it's summer. I've already told you this. This is the number 1 best way to increase airflow and make sure you're not stinking up and creating swamp ball mess down there. This is exactly why we came up with our ball shaving kit through Manscaped. Yo, we dropped this right before summer for a specific reason. We wanted to make sure that you were set all summer swamp ball free. See, we dropped in May. This thing sold out almost immediately. You guys have been asking for this restock, so make sure, boys, you don't miss out this time. If you guys want to check out our perfect ball shaving kit, we're gonna have it linked down below. See, no other company in the history of men's grooming has decided to sit down and create a kit to shave your balls. Think about that. Every razor in the market is designed for your face. We said, we have to do something about this. So we created our Pebble razor. This razor, designed by our team of engineers, was specifically designed for one task and one task only: to make sure your balls are smooth. We wanted them to look like bowling balls and also minimize the risk of cuts and nicks as you would with a regular razor. So not only are the blades sharper, we designed it so it fit perfectly in the hand to give you ultimate control. But we didn't stop there. We also include 2 grooming products. It's a 3-step system. See, the first step, it's a ball scrub. Where have you ever heard about a ball scrub? No one, because nobody's ever thought about this. See, the ball scrub is designed to remove all the dirt, all the grime, all the dead skin from that area to allow the razor to just glide and perfectly give you that cut. Then we give you the shaving gel. The gel applies clear so you can see where you're going, and again, minimize those nicks and cuts. And ultimately, you got the Pebble, where you go to town and you get that close shave that's gonna keep you fresh all summer. Boys, if you guys wanna check out that ball shaving kit, we're gonna have a link down below. Like I said, this thing is moving fast right now that it's summer. I don't want you to miss it, so I'm gonna also add free shipping plus a 20% discount, which just makes it a sweet deal. If you guys want to check it out, click that link down below. Number 4, it's to clean your shoes. Remember that paste that we did for the deodorant? You want that same equal consistency. See, baking soda is great at removing stains, and this paste is probably one of the best formulations you can do to keep your sneakers white, since that granular texture is amazing at lifting all that dirt and grime that's piling up on your shoes. Here's an extra little bonus hack. You can also use this on your clothing. If you have any severe food stains, apply it to your clothing, throw it into the washer for clean garments. Number 5 is a face mask. See, if you have uneven skin, or you have a lot of little baby bumps or little bits of acne, or you have severe acne, you want to make a baking soda facial mask. It's easy. All you want to do is, instead of mixing it with water, mix it with some sort of oil. It could be coconut oil, olive oil, something that's going to hydrate the skin. You want to mix it with the baking soda, again, until it's a paste. You're going to apply it all over your skin, and what's going to happen is that the oil is going to hydrate your skin while the baking soda is going to dry out any imperfections. The cool part is that if you leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes, most of your zits the next day will have minimized. Which rolls us on to number 6. It's a great body scrub. I don't know about you, but sometimes I suffer from dry skin on my body. On top of, I get a lot of back acne. I think it's probably from hitting the gym a lot. So what ends up happening is all that acne and dry skin all over the place, it just causes an uneven skin pattern that it's just not attractive. It doesn't feel good to touch up on. And I want your girl to love touching up on you, so it's easy. I want you to grab a little bit of baking soda. Again, that paste that we keep talking about, this is the consistency you're gonna use almost all the time. You're gonna mix it with water until it's that pasty consistency, and then you're gonna wanna scrub yourself right before you step into the shower. Do it for about 2 to 3 minutes every day, and you're gonna notice how much smoother and even your skin's gonna look. Number 7, it's to whiten teeth. See, most people have yellow teeth for one reason. It's plaque buildup. Plaque is building up on your teeth, and you need to be able to remove that. Baking soda is great at tackling this, because when you create that paste, the same one we've been talking about, that toothpaste texture, what ends up happening is the granular effect of the paste combined with the bristles of the brush on top of its antibacterial and cleaning properties. When you start brushing your teeth with this, you're just gonna feel how clean your teeth feel. Do this once every week just to whiten your teeth, and within the course of a month, you're gonna see your teeth be at least 1 to 2 shades lighter. And finally, number 8, boys, is as dry shampoo. See, let's say you haven't shampooed your hair in a while. It's getting a little greasy. It's weighing your hair down. Easy. A little bit of baking soda. Here, you're going to want to be very, very careful, where you just want to use a little bit. If you use too much, your hair is going to look white. You're going to add it to the scalp of your hair. This is going to do a great job absorbing all that excess oil to give you that texture and volume you're looking for while you wash your hair the next day. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 8 baking soda hacks you need to try that are gonna change your life. That's it for your boy. See you next time.